Now, I will tell you the three variables that Sumif function requires us to give it so it can function properly. So if I just go to the answer column and double tap and add Sumif, here we can see it asks us to give it the range, criteria, and some range. So first, we will discuss range. Range is the set of data to which we want to apply the criteria to. Here, the criteria is 2022. So we want to filter out 2022 from all these years and add the consecutive worldwide gross collections that those movies produce. So in this case, range are the years that we are given. And the next one is the criteria. The criteria is the condition which we are asked. So the condition here is to find the sum of the worldwide gross collection of movies that were released in 2022. We have to find the sum of the worldwide collection of movies that were released in 2022. So the criteria here is 2022. And the third variable is the sum range. Now this is a variable that is an optional variable. So it is mandatory in some cases and non-mandatory in some other cases. In this particular case, this is mandatory because the criteria is given and we have another summing data too. So in cases where this is not mandatory, the range and the sum range will be the same. For example, if this question was to find the sum of the worldwide gross collection of movies or to find the sum of the worldwide collection of movies in where the collection is above a certain number, the criteria we want to also apply the criteria to this set of data. For example, if you are asked to find the sum of gross collection, if the gross collection is above this 50 crores, the criteria becomes 50 crores, above 50 crores. So we want to apply that to that criteria here. So this becomes the range. We also want to do the Sumif function here. So this also becomes the sum range. So in that sort of cases, sum range is not mandatory. We don't want to add sum range in those cases. But in this case, as the criteria is applied to a different set of data, we have a range criteria and sum range. If I go to formulas and insert function, we are asked to produce the same data but in a different table in a different way. Next, I will show you how to do Sumif function.